Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The name still remains Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Lab. Today we're going to look at how we'll be able to customize message. When someone sends you a message on your WhatsApp, how you'll be able to customize the message. This really helps whenever you want to use WhatsApp for business purposes, like when you are selling items, you are dealing with shops or e-commerce online, that when people click the link, it will give them a customized message that they will send it to you and then you can respond from there. This is very, very interesting. When you do that, it helps people to know that you are really great or you are really serious about your business. And in this case, they will be able to also have a conversation or a chat for you. Sometimes sending you message to you is quite difficult, but when you customize your message, that is what they will push to your DM and you can reply there. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get into it. Okay guys, so as I said earlier, today we're looking at how we'll be able to customize a message that is being sent to our WhatsApp purposely for those who are dealing using WhatsApp for businesses, avenues and etc. So just open your browser and then make sure you go to the website wa.link, that's the website, and then hit enter. So when you come to this website, it says why create WhatsApp links with link. It says to open a WhatsApp chat, you usually need to know the user's phone number and save it on your device and search it. You understand? By WhatsApp link simplify these steps in one single click and it opens the chat without saving the person's number. So what we are going to do right now is we want to create a WhatsApp link. So we go to create free link. You understand? So you have to enter your number here. First, you have to select your country code. If you are not in Ghana, you are in other country, Nigeria, Uganda, Botswana, USA, you have to select your country here and then you select your country code. So I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to select my country code, Ghana, and then I'll enter my digit or my number, WhatsApp number. Then I'll add a custom message here. You understand? So I'll say hello. So I'm just going to type this message. Welcome to my online shop. How may I help you? So you can just create this custom message and then you have that. So if we should preview this, we'll have this message. We just want to try it and see. So you see, just look at what is happening. So welcome to my online shop, how may I help you? So we'll make some necessary corrections here. I made it help, but this should be hello. Good. So when you are done, all that you need to do is go to create my wa.link and then you have a link there. So guys, this is the link that we are going to use, or the one that we are going to use right now. So we'll copy the link here. Now if I should put the link in a browser like this, it will take me to the WhatsApp, which is Sidako Digital Academy, and then it says continue to chat. So if I should click on it, it will take me to my DM and then it says hello, welcome to my online shop, how may I help you? But there's something that we want to also do apart from this. We want to customize the link so that we wouldn't have the other digits. So we have a website called Tiny so we have some website that you can really create a customized link as well. We have Tiny URL and we have Bitly, but I'm going to use the Bitly. I prefer the Bitly for this one. So when you come here, it says create. I have created a lot of links here. What I love about Bitly is that Bitly helps you to track the number of clicks. So when I created this particular link, 81 people, that is the total clicks. You have 75 from Ghana, 3 from United States, 2 from Pakistan, and then 1 plus 1 more. So this is 81 clicks from this one. So it helps you to track all this for you. Now the next thing that we do is just go to create link. You understand? And then you enter the link that you got from the WAL. You understand? And then when you are done, you just go to create link. Now when you go to create link, you can customize this one here. You understand? You can customize this one here. So I did hello, welcome to my shop. So I'll do it buy from here. So then I'll go to save. Let's see if it works. So let me change it to buy from shop and see. Okay, so buy from shop also worked. So I'll have to copy this. Let's try now and see if this will work. Boom. So guys, it worked like magic. So this is the link. So this is actually the link which will take you to the website that you are looking for. So guys, I hope you've learned or studied so much about this trick. Make sure you use it. If you are a business person, please, this one is very, very important for you. So thank you. This is for educational purposes and I hope you love it. Make sure you like the video, comment and share my videos to other friends and loved ones for them to also enjoy what you're enjoying on the platform, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. I'm out.